Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne and today we are diving into a price prediction for UNISWAP and the UNI token. As always, before we jump into today's topic, make sure to hit that thumbs up button below. Make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers and it would mean the world if you subscribed and hit that bell notification icon so you can get updated every time we drop a new video. We are dropping multiple videos every single week and you're going to want to get notified so you can stay up to date with all the latest movements in the cryptocurrency space. So diving into UNISWAP and making a price prediction. Well, as always on this channel, when we're doing price predictions, we're going to first look at UNISWAP through the lens of these 5 different pillars and then make our price prediction after looking at the tokenomics in the second half of the video. So make sure you stick around until the end. So firstly, we're going to look at fundamentals, then narratives, a little bit of technical analysis, a little bit about their team, and then the tokenomics. So what is UNISWAP? Well, first and foremost, UNISWAP is a decentralized exchange that allows you, the user, to exchange any token for another token in a decentralized fashion. So we have to explain a little bit here about centralized exchanges versus decentralized exchanges, because on a centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase, for example, Binance or Coinbase are acting like the middleman in that transaction, and you are basically depositing a cryptocurrency with Binance or Coinbase, and then you are using Binance or Coinbase to facilitate the exchange or swap of your token to another token. So again, for example, if you deposited Ethereum into Binance and wanted to buy Maker, you would deposit Ethereum, Binance would do the swap and convert it into Maker for you. So there is a middleman in that exchange still happening. However, with a decentralized exchange like UNISWAP, what UNISWAP are using are smart contracts in order to facilitate the exchange or the swap of one token to another. So it's not going through a centralized exchange intermediary. It's using a smart contract to facilitate the swap of the token. So again, if you wanted to swap Ethereum to Maker, you could deposit Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet, for example. You then connect your wallet to the decentralized exchange and the smart contract basically swaps the token out of your wallet, exchanges it to Maker, and then deposits the Maker token back into your MetaMask wallet. We're going to look at how this works in practicality in a moment, but basically that is how a decentralized exchange operates. It uses a smart contract to facilitate the swap of a token. So if we jump over to UNISWAP very quickly, here we are at app.uniswap.org, and you can see that we have the swap interface open, and the decentralized exchange allows us to select Ethereum, for example, and we could swap Ethereum to USDC. We can then see that our wallet is already connected here to the UNISWAP exchange. Again, the prerequisite is that you need to have your wallet attached or connected to the exchange, so you could be using MetaMask or Trust Wallet, etc. Then the exchange is able to read the balances in your wallet. It allows you to set up a swap, for example, 0.002, if we wanted to swap 0.002 Ethereum to USDC. You can see that it gives us the quote here as for we will receive $7.25 for 0.002 Ethereum. We can then click swap. You can see that we're going to get charged 18 cents in gas fees. We are currently connected to the base network or the base chain. UNISWAP supports all of these different chains, which are part of the Ethereum virtual machine. So you can select the network or the protocol you want to use. The cost of the gas or the transaction fee will vary depending on the network you select, and then you can swap one token for the other. So that is basically how UNISWAP works and functions. So thinking about some of the narratives that UNISWAP is part of, obviously it's part of decentralized exchanges. It is part of the decentralized applications narrative as well as DeFi. So the other side of things with UNISWAP is the fact that when you're making these trades, for example, you're getting charged a network fee and a gas fee. And these transaction fees go to the market makers who are providing liquidity for all of these trading pairs on the UNISWAP exchange. So you can see here, if we go back to the graph, we can see that there's a whole lot of value locked on the Uniswap exchange. And in terms of protocol rankings, Uniswap is the 6th largest protocol when it comes to the decentralized finance space, with a total of over $6 billion in total value locked in Uniswap. Obviously, some of the bigger players like Lido, Eigenlayer, Aave, Maker are, higher than it in terms of total value locked, but it is a very prominent player in the decentralized finance space with over $6 billion locked and over 8% up on the month, 149% up in the past 7 days in terms of TVL. So lots of action going on the Uniswap exchange, lots of liquidity, lots of swaps, and lots of exchanges going on. The other thing to note here is going back to the previous bull cycle and thinking about all of these decentralized exchanges and how they performed in terms of the narrative around these dexes. And the thing to notice here, we've done other videos on this channel about this, but you can see that these decentralized exchanges that are part of the DEX narrative all peaked and had their market high around the same time in the previous bull cycle. So you can see here that the Bitcoin all-time high occurred in November of 2021, and you can see that the all-time high for Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap all occurred around March, April of 2021. So about 6 to 7 months before the all-time high for Bitcoin got locked in, we saw all-time highs for these DEX protocols. Again, it's worth keeping an eye on this as we move through this next bull cycle, because typically these narratives will run in tandem, and the price accumulation that we see with Uniswap along with the other decentralized exchanges, you can see that they all had market peaks around the same time in the previous bull cycle. So just another thing to keep an eye on. Moving into the technical analysis, zooming in here, we see that Uniswap launched in around September of 2020, so it caught the tail end of the previous bull cycle. So, given the fact that it has become much more established and much more used over the past couple of years, it'll be very interesting to see what prices it can put in this time around. But in the previous cycle, we did see Uniswap putting in all-time highs of around $44.72 in May, around April, May of 2021. Thereafter, we did see a big price decrease all the way down through 2022, and we saw, pretty much a bottom price of around $3.40 in May, June, July of 2022. We did see it move kind of sideways for the rest of 2022 and 2023, with prices going slightly down on average. It then hit around $3.80 in Q4 of 2023, and since then it has been on a large surge, as most of the rest of the market has been, but we have seen price increases of over 235% since its lows in Q4 of 2023. So up over 235%, pretty good performance. That is probably better than the market average since October of 2023, but it's definitely moved in tandem with the rest of the market, moving upwards since Q4 of 2023. So moving on to the team, we're not going to dwell too much here because Uniswap has become one of the largest decentralized exchanges in the space. Hayden Adams is the guy, basically the inventor, CEO of Uniswap Labs, which is the parent company of the Uniswap exchange. Very intelligent people behind this project. They've built a very good team. Hayden has been, from what I understand, pretty close with Vitalik Buterin, and has taken advice from Vitalik, the founder of Ethereum, over the past few years as to how best to grow Uniswap and continue to scale it, and it seems like they're doing a very good job so far. Finally, moving on to the tokenomics, what we're looking at here is obviously a price today of about $12.64 for the Uni token. We did see a good run up last month. We did see gains here in February, March of this year with a big 40-50% run up based on some good news around the token itself. The circulating supply is currently sitting at about 598 billion Uni tokens, and we did see its all-time high market cap, I think, locking in around 22 billion, as we'll see in a moment. But what we're going to look at now is obviously a quick historical snapshot from the beginning of May 2021, when Uni was putting in those all-time highs. And what we can see is that the circulating supply at the previous all-time high was around 523 million UNISWAP tokens. As we can see today, we have about 598 million. So that is about a 14% increase in tokens in circulation since its previous all-time high. Now that is not too bad compared to some other protocols on some other tokens, because you know, if you've seen some of the other price predictions we've done, we've seen other protocols with in excess of 30, 40, 50% increases. So its previous market cap all-time high was about 22.5 billion. Its current market cap is sitting at about 7.57 billion, and the circulating supply at all-time high, 523, circulating supply right now, 598, and we're estimating that the circulating supply by middle to end of 2025 is going to be about 610 million Uni in circulation. This is when we estimate the peak of the bull cycle to occur, middle to end of 2025. So we're estimating about 610 million Uni in circulation, and that will factor into our price prediction now in a moment. The final thing we're going to look at is market dominance, because this is another variable that we're going to plug into the price prediction. And when we zoom out and look at the market dominance of the Uni token versus the rest of the crypto market cap, what we can see is it's currently sitting at a 0.3% market dominance. Now, it did put in market dominance highs of around 1.2% all the way back in May 2021 when it was hitting that all-time high. So it is familiar with above 1% market dominance, and it has gotten there before. Obviously, it did not stay there for very long, but it has seen market dominance, you know, closer to 0.55, 0.6% during 2022, and sustained a good level here as well. So this is another variable we're going to factor into our price prediction, which we will move into now. So as always, we're going to give you a bear case, base case, and bull case scenario price prediction. There are variables that we have to plug into our equation here. So again, we do have to make some assumptions, and we have to make the best assumptions we can given all the data that we have. So the first variable here is thinking about what can the overall crypto market cap reach. And we're saying in a bear case scenario, we would hit a 4 trillion overall market cap in US dollars. What we're saying is that Uni token could achieve a 0.75% dominance at its all-time high. That would give Uni a $30 billion market cap, which would be about 8 billion more than its previous all-time high. And then dividing that by 610 million Uni tokens gives us a price target of about $49.18. That is a 3.9x multiple from today's prices of just over $12. Moving on to our base case scenario, what we're saying this time is that the overall crypto market cap could reach about 6 trillion US dollars. What we're also saying for the dominance variable is that Uniswap could achieve about a 1% market dominance at its peak. That would give it about a $60 billion market cap, and then dividing that 60 billion market cap by the 610 million Uni tokens gives us a price prediction of about $98.36. That is about a 7.8x from today's prices, and this is a pretty realistic target, I think, for Uni this bull cycle. Moving on to our bull case scenario and our final scenario, what we have here is a total crypto market cap potentially reaching a height of about 8 trillion US dollars. What we're then saying is that Uni could achieve about a 1.25% dominance. Remember here we saw that Uniswap has achieved about 1.2% in the previous bull cycle. So we're basically saying that it could achieve slightly better market dominance this time around and achieve about 1.25% market dominance. That would give us a $100 billion market cap for Uni, and then dividing that by the 610 million Uniswap tokens gives us a price target of about $163.93, which is just under a 13x multiple from today's prices. So lots of bullish sentiment going on here, especially with our bull case price prediction. Given the fact that Uni caught the tail end of the previous bull cycle, given the fact that decentralized exchanges, in my opinion, are going to only become more popular. We are going to see more TVL locked up in decentralized exchanges as the whole decentralized finance space continues to evolve and grow. I think Uni is a token that has a very bright and promising future, and a 13x multiple from today's prices is our bull case price prediction. So let us know in the comments below what you think of Uni. How high do you think Uni can go? It's obviously serving a very big need in the decentralized finance space. It has been growing, and the TVL continues to increase as we move through this current bull cycle. Are you bullish on Uniswap? Where do you think the price is going to go? Drop us a comment below and let us know. As always, if you enjoy the content, please smash that thumbs up button on your way out. Hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and it would mean the world. And hit that bell notification icon so you can get notified when we drop more price prediction videos and a bunch of other videos on the channel every single week. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.